Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be exploring the most luxurious hotels in the world. If you're looking for the ultimate travel experience and want to indulge in the finest amenities, then this video is for you. The Plaza, New York City. Our first hotel is the Plaza in New York City. This iconic hotel has been a symbol of luxury since 1907 and boasts stunning views of Central Park. With its grand ballroom and exquisite decor, it's the perfect place to experience the glamour and elegance of New York City. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. Next up, we have the Burj Al Arab in Dubai. Shaped like a sail, this striking hotel is located on a man-made island off the coast of Dubai. It offers incredible views of the city skyline and the Persian Gulf, as well as numerous luxurious amenities, such as a private beach and butler service. The Ritz-Carlton, Tokyo. Located in the heart of Tokyo, our next hotel is the Ritz-Carlton. With its stunning views of the city and the nearby Mount Fuji, it's the perfect place to experience the beauty of Japan. This hotel features luxurious rooms and suites, as well as several restaurants serving world-class cuisine. Four Seasons George V, Paris. Our fourth hotel is the Four Seasons George V in Paris. Located just steps from the Champs-Élysées, this elegant hotel is known for its opulent decor and impeccable service. It features stunning floral displays, a Michelin-starred restaurant, and a spa offering a range of luxurious treatments. The Mandarin Oriental, Bangkok. Our next hotel is the Mandarin Oriental in Bangkok. This historic hotel has been a symbol of luxury in Bangkok for over 140 years. It features stunning colonial architecture, lush gardens, and numerous luxurious amenities, including a world-class spa and multiple restaurants serving exquisite cuisine. The St. Regis Bali Resort, Bali. If you're looking for a luxurious beachfront resort, then the St. Regis Bali Resort is the perfect choice. This stunning resort offers breathtaking views of the Indian Ocean and lush tropical gardens. It features spacious villas with private pools, a world-class spa, and multiple restaurants serving gourmet cuisine. The Waldorf Astoria, Beverly Hills. Our next hotel is the Waldorf Astoria in Beverly Hills. Located in the heart of Beverly Hills, this luxurious hotel offers stunning views of the surrounding hills and the city skyline. It boasts spacious rooms and suites, a rooftop pool and lounge, and a world-class spa. The Taj Mahal Palace, Mumbai. Our eighth hotel is the Taj Mahal Palace in Mumbai. This iconic hotel has been a symbol of luxury and elegance since it opened in 1903. It features stunning architecture, opulent decor, and a range of luxurious amenities, including a world-class spa and several restaurants serving gourmet cuisine. The Mandarin Oriental, Hong Kong. Located in the heart of Hong Kong, the Mandarin Oriental is our next luxurious hotel. It offers stunning views of Victoria Harbour and the city skyline. It features spacious rooms and suites, a world-class spa, and several restaurants serving exquisite cuisine. The Ritz-Carlton, Riyadh. Our final hotel is the Ritz-Carlton in Riyadh. This opulent hotel features stunning architecture and luxurious amenities. It boasts spacious rooms and suites, multiple restaurants serving gourmet cuisine, and a world-class spa offering a range of luxurious treatments. So there you have it, our top 10 most luxurious hotels in the world. We hope this video has given you some inspiration for your next travel adventure. Dawn.